If you're looking to move to the Tampa Bay area, you found a channel that gives you new home tours every single week, and we're getting after another one
right now.
Hey, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications as we have new home tours every single week.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at EXP Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email because we'd love to help you make that smooth move to
the Tampa Bay area. Today we are in Thonotosassa, Florida.
What is that?
Thonotosassa. Some of us call it T-Town to be short and easy. It is very conveniently located right off of I-4, Interstate 4 and I-75. For reference, we are just under 25 minutes to downtown Tampa and just under 35 minutes to Tampa International Airport. For those of you that like to go to the House of Mouse, we are just about an hour and 15 minutes away from that.
Yeah, so that's not a bad drive at all. An hour and 15 minutes to Disney. Another 2 points that we're not too far from is the VA Hospital and Moffitt Cancer Center over by USF. Those two places are only a quick 15-minute drive, so again, not far at all. We are just off of Thonotosassa and Evergreen Boulevard. Obviously, we are in the community called Evergreen, which is a Pulte community, and we are Pulte lovers, an amazing builder. Lots of nice communities around the Tampa, Wesley Chapel, Zephyr Hills neighborhood. So if one of these models you love, but maybe not this location, we can definitely find another house for you in a different area.
So this is a very small boutique community, just over 100 homes.
130 homes total.
No CDD, very small HOA.
HOA $76 a month. And this community is quickly wrapping up and coming to an end with only 30 opportunities left. So it does have some quick move-ins. There's about 13 available right now, but if you're still wanting to pick a lot, pick a model, you can definitely do that. They've got 17 lots left in here, and all of them are how big?
50-foot lots.
50-foot lots, so you are definitely going to get a little bit more elbow room here in Evergreen.
Stick with us. We are going to show you the Heston model, and we're going to get after it.
Let's go check it out. So we're going to zip through the Heston model today. This is a 4-bedroom home with 2 baths and a 2-car garage. Square footage is 1,850. All one level, so that's going to be nice and roomy. Let's go check it out. Hello and welcome to the Heston. The Heston is one of their most popular floor plans, especially for a 1-level home. Right up front, we are going to have the first 2 bedrooms, and they're nice and roomy. In this front bedroom, we do have a queen size bed. Again, I love the 2 windows, so a nice and bright floor plan. We've got sliders on the closet doors and a little section right here where you could do either a little writing desk or even something just like this with a little stool and a mirror. Perfect setup. Separating these 2 bedrooms, we are gonna have, right now it's just a half bath because this is the model, but this would include a shower tub combo or a walk-in shower if you were building it from dirt. Just on the other side of this bathroom is going to be bedroom number 2. It's going to be very similar, if not exactly the same size as the first bedroom, because we also have a queen bed in here, nightstands, your dresser, and sliders on that closet. And one of the reasons the Heston is a very popular floor plan is if you only need the 3 bedrooms, this room right here in the center of home is usually used as a home office, And again, it's right in the center, so nice and quiet. This would normally have a door on it, but right now they have their selections set up in here. So if you were building from dirt, Pulte makes it very easy for you if you're one that just can't wrap your head around colors and what do I do here. They have these predetermined to where you can select, let's say I like the Premier Natural. It's gonna automatically have that gray cabinet, the flooring, the gray carpet, quartz with a little bit of gray in it, tile with a little bit of gray in it, and just makes it super, super easy. If not, you could do white backsplash, but you've got 6 different setups in here to make it super easy for you. And just off of this 3rd bedroom, which again, we're right in the center of this home, we are gonna have the laundry room. This is gonna house your washer and dryer. If you wanted to do a utility sink, you definitely have room on the opposite side. However, right now they have a printer set up in there. This is gonna be the door to that 2-car garage. AC handler right here. And this super tiny closet that you're gonna see in the hallway is our Florida coat closet. And it's tiny because yes, we do not have those big furry coats. Maybe you'll see a rain coat in there, but more than likely it's gonna be a vacuum cleaner or a broom. So this brings us into the main living area of the Heston, and it is a really super easy flowing floor plan. You know me, I don't like getting stuck in the kitchen, so just having this walk around space is super nice. And it's a good space between your sink and your center island, between your stove and center island. You've got a lot of cabinet storage down below as well as up above. Stainless steel appliances. You have your microwave mounted above the stove and the dishwasher located right next to your undermount sink. Now, if you're one that loves to entertain, this house could check your boxes. We've got the cafe section here just off of your kitchen, and it's a pretty spacious one. This has a nice 5 top here, but you could definitely go one size bigger if you wanted to get 6 chairs here, or you could even do something a little bit longer and have a rectangular table. But this is all open to your family room. So you could be over here meal prepping, still watching TV. This is a nice, huge section. As you can see, the couch here is rather large. They've got 2 chunky chairs sitting here, TV credenza, beautiful fixture up above, TV mounted on the wall. So you're definitely not gonna miss a beat if you're in the kitchen, again, cooking, doing dishes. Still a perfect spot for entertaining. Now, tucked back here in the corner of the home, just off of your family room, is going to be the primary suite. And again, a nice wide room. You can see they've got a big king size bed in here. We have still room to put a chair in the corner. If you didn't want to put your dresser here and you wanted to run it long ways, you'd have room enough to put a little bench at the end of this bed. We've got big nightstands on each side. I love the fixture that they've picked in this room. That is something you don't see every day. Again, 2 windows to the rear, so a very airy, bright primary suite. And the ensuite to your primary is going to feature a walk-in shower. It has the frameless glass. Women, we always love a bench right there. Actually, some men may too, to help dry off. We are gonna have dual vanity sinks here, several drawers right down the middle, white shaker cabinets. This is gonna be the walk-in closet. And I always say I love to refigure this where you have this rack a little bit higher, one a little bit lower, so you just get more storage in here. And you are gonna have a private water closet off to one side. And sliders just over your cafe section is going to lead you out here to a nicely sized covered lanai to the rear of your home. You're definitely going to want to screen this in because, as you can see, we are in May. We still have love bugs flying around, and don't worry, they don't bite, they don't sting, they just annoy you, and they definitely cover up your windshield. But anyways, this is going to be the lanai that you do have here on the Heston, but there's multiple floor plans in this community. If you wanted to go all the way up to 2,900 square feet with the Winthrop, that's also another 4-bedroom home, but it is 2-story. They have that available as well.
So that's going to do it for our Heston model. It's a Pulte home. Pulte is putting rear fences on the home, so you'll just be responsible for putting up those sides. They are, like Debbie said, about 30 quick move-ins today. But if you also want to build from the ground up, you want to build from dirt, it's about 6 to 8 months to get that done. Different incentives every single month. So if you're interested in one of these homes, please make sure you reach out to us. We can get you those incentives that are currently being offered. Also, there are builders and incentives all over the Tampa Bay area. We handle anything within an hour of Tampa. Places like Wesley Chapel, Zephyr Hills, Dade City, Thonotosassa, Plant City, Land O'Lakes, the list goes on. Parrish, yes. Apollo Beach. If you're looking for that new home, stick with our channel. We're coming out with new home tours every single week. Remember that the representatives inside those model centers work for the builders, and all these builders today are covering our costs, so you can be represented by us. Let us put on those gloves, come in there and see what kind of deal we can get for you.
And don't make the mistake that some people do. You go into these models, you fill out a card, you don't add that you're working with a realtor or drop our name, you haven't spoken to us yet. Once you do that, we can no longer assist you in that process. So definitely make sure you reach out to the Diaz group. Again, you can shoot us a text, send us an email, even schedule a Zoom or a Teams meeting, because we would love to see you
around town.
Bye now.